What's going? Ooh, what's going on?
You alright?
Girl, don't play that. You know what's going on. Did you see how that brother got sucked in by the gravitational pull of that dwarf planet she carrying, bro? That brother got launched into orbit, man. He done crash landed. I ain't no expert, but from the looks of it looks like Uranus. And then at the end, another brother just appears. That gravitational pull something crazy.